she hiding? For real.
Noah and his big stick.
You don't. Your mom's already this tall. You let it get 7 inches of rain in the sun.
No, but
BT.
now you get to do it every week.
BT!
Everybody else already knows I was like,
Where's Peyton? There he is. Where's Peyton?
he's been mowing his grass 3 or 4 weeks.
Where's Peyton?
What is she doing here?
Where's Peyton? Boo!
Taylor Swift pregnant.
What?
I just looked it up on Sirius. It says she's pregnant and she's married to Travis Kelce. I mean, it was all over Fox News.
He said, how do you not know if you got...
Pops, it's good.
What doing?
I had it wrapped up.
Roosters.
No, we're going to Portland Crown.
Oh, I gotta get yours. Put this up. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
She said give him out crap.
Don't lose the pieces, Buggy, then you won't be able to do them. They're to help you learn your letters.
Yeah, it's for you,
It's yours.
For you.
She's like, okay, go back.
She's like, well, then wait, we better put them up.
Learn your letters. Here, Mama, go put them in the car. That's what I heard too. I was wondering why they were going so slow. Buggy's pushing them.
Hud's doing circles around him.
They'll start making them
How you get so red? We're going ride.
I don't think kid sweats. Y'all should stand sideways, bud. Let him stand in front of you. Hold your bellies out. Take a picture. That'd be cute.
Come here. Stick your belly out. Look. Stick your belly out. Thank you. Rolling. Thank you. Get the car. Get the car. You lost your bracelet yet?
Where's my juice?
I think it's inside because they thought it was going to blow away.
Huh?
Hang out there, Mike.
Stay on here. Dude, get up here and get shoes on now.
okay, the whole time we needed from the accident.
Yeah.
We were stuck in the, like,
Thank Bye.
No, Loretta.
Bye. Who went inside?
Oh!
Who went inside? Abby. Abby, door! You go put this out inside.
Brownie, come here, buddy.
But you gotta hold it until it shuts, baby. It's not a rat.
That's a rat.
Mommy said I can't touch them.
They must have failed.
Let me see. See?
That's what she was doing.
Oh no.
It's okay. It's mommy will come and get it. It'll be okay.
It's just going to have a couple minutes of tea. like poop. Oh.
Did you poo poo? Did you poo?
Aw, you'll give it a hug.
She's a baby squirrel.
Smell like it.
You
farting?
Get over here.
Say Bub farted and he's just trying to blame it on you. That's so mean. Or maybe it was.
Then get away from those
Rowan.
squirrels.
Oh, look, she's brushing your hair. Oh, she's gonna.
Hurts.
You better watch out. She's.
I felt it.
Yeah, that was close.
Go brush pop-ups here, P. Ew.
Ew, what was that?
Brush Nemo's hair. Nope, you ain't going nowhere.
Hey, and be careful.
How about you?
This. Pop-ups do it.